Good morning, children. How are you? All are fine? Yes. Yes, it is COVID time. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Okay? Yes. In previous class, we have learned about what is a microorganisms and what is the uses for us. Commercial microorganisms, how they are helpful for us, and medical microorganisms, how they are useful for us, and some useful microorganisms and some harmful microorganisms. These topics are completed and vaccination. Okay, these topics are completed in previous lesson. Today we will discuss about harmful microorganisms. Yes, yeah. The first one, harmful microorganism. Yes, same as like some microorganisms are useful for us. Those are helpful in our daily life activities, such as like preparing of idli, preparing of dosa, preparing of bakery items, preparing of curd, preparing of vaccines, preparing of etc. like medicines, etc. like those are useful microorganisms. Some microorganisms are harmful to us. What are the letters discussed today? Okay, now, yes, with help of microorganisms, we are getting several type of diseases. Those type of microorganisms are called pathogens. What is that? Pathogens. Pathogen. Pathogen means the microorganism which causes disease for living things. Those are called pathogen. That means with help of pathogens, we are getting several type of diseases. Okay? Yes. Some pathogens. Examples of some pathogens. Plasmodium vivax, Ogararia branchiopti, and normal fever, virus and bacteria. Those are with help of pathogens. That means with help of vectors, the pathogens are transmitted to place, person to person. Okay? Yes. Again, the harmful microorganisms. With help of harmful microorganisms, we are getting diseases. Based on the spreading, these diseases are divided into two types. The first one, communicable disease. Second one, non-communicable disease. Okay? What is that? First one, communicable disease. Second one, non-communicable. Non-communicable disease. Communicable disease. Look at Nana. With help of vectors, with help of vector, some diseases are spread to person, infected person to normal person. Those type of diseases are called communicable disease. Okay, what is that? Infected person to non-infected person with help of vector. Some diseases are spread to person, infected person to non-infected person with help of vector. Vectors such as like mosquitoes, houseflies, cockroach, air, water, etc. Like with help of those, some diseases are spread to person, infected person to normal person, place to place, like Hyderabad to Sangareddy, Sangareddy to Warangal. Okay, like those type of diseases are called communicable disease or contact diseases. Okay, best example COVID. That is a COVID. When you touch the infected person, automatically that virus entered into your body. Okay, that is communicable disease. Best example, COVID-19. Remember it. That's why our Indian government, they are saying stay at your home and stay safe. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay, it's better to take precautions. Those type of diseases called communicable disease. Okay, communicating to each other. Okay, it's simple. Okay, examples. What is that? Example: COVID-19, COVID-19 virus, common flu, common fever. These all are belongs to communicable disease. Okay, in your school, in your classroom, one person is suffering for flu. Generally, what will happen after a couple of 2-3 days? Definitely, in surrounding students, they are also affected by that person. What is the reason? Because of that flu is communicable disease. With the help of air, the virus, it will be spreading surrounding of the area. Okay, that is the communicable disease. Okay, in our home also, for suppose our mother is suffering for fever. After a couple of days, definitely in our family, definitely 1 or 2 members are suffering for the type of disease because of they are communicating to each other. With help of communication, the virus also, or bacteria also, or pathogens also, it will be communicating to person. Those type of diseases are called communicable diseases. Okay? Yes. Next, non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease means they cannot spread to person. They cannot infect person to person. Those type of disease is called non-communicable disease. For suppose one person is suffering for HIV. What is that? HIV. It is a virus name. With help of virus, those persons are getting AIDS. AIDS, it is one of the non-communicable disease. They cannot transmit it to person. That is a non-communicable disease. Okay? That is a differentiation between communicable and non-communicable disease. Okay? The non-communicable disease, there is no any vectors are participating. Okay? That infected person is only suffering for that type of disease only. Okay? That is communicable and non-communicable diseases. What is the dangerous disease? What is the dangerous disease in both communicable or non-communicable? Yes, communicable it is dangerous. Non-communicable, with help of medicines, definitely that disease will be cured. Okay, polio, it is one of the non-communicable disease. With help of polio vaccine, definitely that person he will be cured. But what about communicable disease? The disease it will be spreading person to person. We cannot stop the disease. It will be spreading our society. It will spreading through the throughout the country or world. Example, COVID-19. The COVID-19 is born in China. But what about nowadays? It will be totally spread total the world. The type of disease is called communicable. That's why I said communicable diseases are very dangerous diseases. Okay? With help of communicable disease, a lot of people they are suffering. With help of non-communicable disease, only who are affected by non-communicable disease, those are suffering. Okay? Yes. Next one. Yes. Next one. Some common diseases caused by some microorganisms. Let us discuss what are they, what is the disease, how we are affecting. Okay, Ranan? Yes. Look there. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. It is one of the a common disease. It is caused by bacteria. Bacteria. That a mode of transformation, air. With help of air, it will be transporting to one person to another person or one place to another place. Okay? What is the prevention methods? With help of vaccination, with help of vaccine, we should cure the disease and avoid infected person material. For example, the X person is suffering tuberculosis disease. Don't use any type of materials. For suppose he is using a beautiful or important material in your house. Don't use that type of person. Affected person is using any material. It is better to avoid that using of another person. Why? Because when we are using this person things, automatically the disease it will be spreading. Why? Because with help of air, it will be spreading. Okay? Yes. Next one, chicken pox. It is also airborne disease. Airborne disease, it is nothing but with help of air, it will be participating transformation mechanism. Okay? Yes. Next, what is that prevention methods? That chicken pox with help of vaccination process, with help of vaccine, we should cure the disease. And next one, what is that? Polio. Already you know this. Polio virus. With help of virus, it will be spreading to person. With help of air, with help of water, it will be transferring. Okay, what is that method, prevention method? Vaccines. Okay, yes, swine flu, it is a virus. With help of air, it will be transferring to person. And what is that preventive method? Vaccination process. Okay, next, cholera and typhoid. It is a general disease. Cholera and typhoid. It is a bacteria. With help of bacteria, we are getting cholera and typhoid. How it is? What is the mode of transformation? The mode of transmission, contaminated water, contaminated food material, and housefly. Listen here. With help of contaminating water, with help of contaminating food material, with help of housefly, we are getting cholera and typhoid disease. Okay, contaminating water means unpurified water. Purified water. Contaminating food means spoiled food materials. Spoiled food materials. Okay, with the help of those things, we are getting cholera and thyroid. Why? Because when the stored water and contaminated food material, it is consisting of a number of bacteria. Number of bacteria. When you are taking the type of food material, the bacteria entered into our body, it will causes cholera and typhoid. What about housefly? Housefly, it is one of the vector. Vector. Okay? Look there, Nana. Some members, some poor peoples, they don't have any facilities, required materials. That's why they are opening food material in their houses. In their houses. Okay, just imagine. Okay, the house price, it will be sitting on the food material. After it will go outside, it will settle down on the dump yards. Again, it will be comes in the house, and again it will be sitting on the food material. What will happen? The dump yard is consisting of several type of microorganisms. When it is sitting on the food material, those microorganisms are entered into food material. This type of food material, who are taking this type of food material, the person infected by cholera and thyroid disease. That's why we all are saying, okay, you should clean your surrounding area and keep one plate on the food material. Don't eat any outside food items like junk food items. This is the main reason. That's why we all are saying every day, avoid junk food, avoid junk food. Okay? And best example, Pani Puri, beside of the roads, they are purchasing Pani Puri. Just imagine, and beside of the road, what is the environment condition? What is the pollution? Just imagine and think yourself. Okay? Yes. Next one, malaria. Malaria, it is one of the pathogen. With help of Plasmodium vivax, it is one of the pathogen. We are getting malaria disease. What is the mode of transformation? Mosquitoes. With help of mosquitoes, we are getting malaria disease. Okay? What is the prevention method? Avoid mosquitoes. Use mosquito bats. Use mosquito nets. Keep your surrounding areas clean and neatly. Close your door windows. Okay? In regular, in evening time. Okay, Nana? And same as well as like cholera and diphtheria. Okay, Nana? Yes. Next, dengue and many type of diseases are there. Dengue also, it is one of the dangerous disease. It's caused by virus. The transformation of diseases like with help of mosquitoes. Okay, with help of using of mosquito nets and using of mosquito cans, mosquito bites. Okay, with help of this method, we should control the dengue disease also. Okay, no. Yes. Yes. Look there, and what is that? Cough. General cough and whooping, tetanus, like diseases are caused by bacteria. Okay, with help of contaminated water, with help of contaminating food material, we are getting these type of diseases. It's better to avoid the type of food material. Okay, and with help of DPT and with help of antigens, we are controlling the diseases. That means in precautions method, in preventing methods, you should clean your surrounding area first. Clean yourself, clean your surrounding area, clean your surrounding house area. It is a main factor. And use some mosquito nets, use some mosquito coins in your room. Okay, that is the main important thing. Okay, it's better to drink warm water. It's better to drink warm water. Okay, that is a good method. Okay, now yes, same as well as like some animals, not only human being, some animals like sheep, goats, etc. Like those animals also affected by some microorganisms, some diseases with help of microorganisms. Okay. Yes, what are the letters discuss? With help of bacteria, with help of virus, with help of pathogens, goats and sheep also they are affected. Some examples like this is mouth disease. With help of bacteria, the goats it is affected, and some the food of the goat it will be damaged by virus and fungi disease. With help of fungi, the food of the goat and sheep also damaged. Okay, okay, yes. With help of dog, we are getting dangerous disease that is rabies. With help of vaccination, definitely we should cure the disease. Okay, with help of dog bite, we are getting rabies disease. So be careful, children. Okay, yes, these are the harmful microorganisms, human beings, how we are affecting. Same as well as like the plants also affected by microorganisms. What are they? Let us discuss. Plants. Look there. Citrus canker. It is one of the disease name. Citrus canker. Okay. With help of bacteria, the citrus plants are affected. Citrus plants. That means lemon. Citrus it is the scientific name of lemon plant. Okay, now the lemon. Once you should observe. For example, it is one of the lemon leaf. Okay, a dark spots appeared on the leaf, and the dark spots appeared on the lemon fruit. The dark spots it is indicating citrus canker disease. With help of bacteria, the disease occurred on the citrus canker. Next one, red root of sugar cane. In sugar cane, okay, you should observe the sugar cane. Okay, in the middle of the sugar cane, the red color spot, red color lines are appeared in the middle of the sugar cane. That is, it is not a red color. It is not a color. With help of microorganisms, with help of fungi, the color is appeared in the middle of the sugar cane. Okay, with help of seedling, these type of diseases spread in the sugar cane crop. Okay, yes. And next one, Ticca disease. Ticca disease. The Ticca disease with a Ticca disease in groundnut. Same as well as like citrus canker. In surface of the groundnut leaf, the dark color spots appeared on the leaf. This is indicating Ticca disease. With help of air, with help of seeds, the disease it will be spreading in that crop. Okay? Yes. Next one, tobacco mosaic wire. Tobacco mosaic. Tobacco mosaic disease Mainly, it is appeared in tobacco plants. With help of insects, the virus it will be spreading in the tobacco crop. What is that symptoms? When we are observe the leaf of the tobacco, automatically some dark parts appear on the surface of the leaf. Okay, the leaf it cannot develop properly. The size it will be decreased. That's why the farmers, tobacco farmers, they are getting low income, low crop production. Next, some type of diseases are caused. Some type of fungus, some type of virus, some type of bacteria, and mainly fungi and virus. The farmers are getting several type of crop diseases. Okay, these are the plant diseases. Next, we will discuss about food preservation method. With food preservation method. Food preservation method. Preservation it is nothing but production of the food material, storing of the food material with help of artificial and technical methods. What are they? Let us discuss. Okay, look there. What are the methods? With help of heat, already you know that. With help of heat, with help of cool. Okay, with help of cool, with help of heat, definitely we should preserve the some food material. Okay, no. Yes, best example. With help of heat, tell me anyone. Tell me anyone with help of heat how we are preserving food material. Best example milk. Best example milk now. Okay, when we are eating that milk, the milk it is consisting of several type of microorganisms. When we are eating that milk, the microorganisms are totally killed by the temperature. Okay, after we are preserving that heat. Okay, next cooling mechanism. Some fishes they are transported to various places in seashore area to towns or cities. How it is possible? With help of cooling mechanism, they are preserving the food material in a few days. Okay? Yes. Many methods are you have already learned in sixth and fifth classes, seventh classes also. Okay now? Yes. Next one. Pasteurization process. It is important. Pasteurization. 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 Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur. First of all, he is introduced by this method, pasteurization mechanism. In the name of Louis Pasteur, we are calling pasteurization. What is pasteurization mechanism? It is one of the another preservative method. Another preservative method. What is that method? In this method, what we are calling, what we are doing, in this process, the milk is heated up to 72 degrees centigrade. How much? Milk, we are heating that milk 72 degrees centigrade. Okay? In 15 to 30 minutes. How many minutes? Maximum 15 to 30 minutes. Okay. After what will happen? That suddenly we are cooling that milk. 72 degrees milk. Okay now. Suddenly we are cooling, chilling that milk, cooling that milk. After we are storing that food material, after we are storing that milk, the type of milk are called pasteurization, pasteurized milk. Okay, it is better to observe that milk packet. On the milk packet, already it is labeled pasteurized milk. That means up to 72 degrees centigrade, the milk is eaten nearly 15 to 30 minutes. After they are suddenly cooling that milk, then you are packing that milk and storing that milk packets. Okay, these are called pasteurization mechanism. Okay, children. Yes. Next one. Storage and packing. Storage and packing. Nowadays, Nana, look there. If you take any food material, dry fruits, milk products, and cold drinks, food items, vegetables. Okay, they are sold in a large scale, like supermarkets, big market like etc. places. Okay, now yes. What is the purpose? Why we are preserving that food material? Why we are doing that pasteurization mechanism? What is that help? Okay, let us follow some more details. That means with the help of this method, we are controlling the spoilness of food material. That means preventing of the spoil. What is the uses of the prevention methods? Means we are controlling that. We are controlling that spoiling of food material. Okay, that means prevents. Okay, preventing of spoiled food material. Major one. Second one, we are preserving long period. Preserving long period. Preserving long period up to 2 months, 3 months, like okay, it is possible. Next, and we are increasing quality time. We are increasing quality time, food quality time. When it is not spoiled, automatically the food quality also it is increasing. Okay, Nana? Yes. Look there, yeah. The variety of food materials available in all seasons. Availability in all seasons. All season. Look then, Nana, some fruits are available in one particular season. And mango, it is available in summer season. In olden days. But what about nowadays? Mangoes are available in any seasons. Why? Because those mangoes are preserved, preserved places with help of precautions. Okay, that's why we are getting all type of fruits in all type of seasons. That is a main region. Okay, Nanu? That is the uses of preservative methods. For suppose there is no any preservative methods. Just think and imagine nowadays there is no any preservative methods. What will happen? Definitely we are struggle for food. Is that no? Because of our population it is increasing. That's why our scientists they are researched and concluded preservative methods. With the help of preservative methods, we are doing these type of benefit. We are getting these type of benefits. That is a reason. Okay? Hey children, this is our the world of microorganisms 2 topic. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, children.